In this Kash4Watching review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that you can make commissions on autopilot while you watch YouTube videos. I'm going to show you what this is and what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Kash4Watching, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I do have a ton of extra bonuses here, including resale rights to a bunch of past softwares here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new system pays us every time we watch videos on YouTube and TikTok. Game-changing software exploits underground loophole for unlimited YouTube and TikTok payments just by watching random videos online, and all without being on camera, without paid traffic, without expenses, tech skills, etc. They say that more than $780,000 has been paid out doing this. So essentially they're claiming here that you watch videos on YouTube and you get paid for them every 9 minutes, or at least that's what the video says here. I was not able to find anything about that inside this product. I'm friends with these guys. I like them. Radu, if you're watching right now, sorry, but there's nothing about that in this product. And there's no like watch videos and every 9 minutes get paid. There's nothing like that included here. I will tell you what is included. I'm going to show you what is included. Now, they say that they got more than $43,000 by watching random videos. I don't believe that. These are all just screenshots of doing like product launches and affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus. These are not YouTube payments coming in. It might be doing affiliate marketing, but it's not all from YouTube, etc. Here's more affiliate stats, $1 million, not all from watching videos on YouTube. I don't know why we have these screenshots on here. Warrior Plus said that they were going to get rid of them, but they haven't yet. They say log into the software, activate your personal video machine, and then relax as it gets you TikTok and YouTube payments. That's not how it works. There's nothing like that happens here. I'm going to show you what it is in a second. Here's more. This is okay. This is better. This is YouTube payments. So this is money from a YouTube channel, but I don't see how it has anything to do with this. Maybe uploading YouTube videos and creating them. That could be one of the ways of making money, but it's not from this. So if you decide to purchase, you'll get access to the system, to the loophole here, all the video creation. They say zero video creation, but I'm gonna show you it's a video creator here. And if you do decide to purchase, I'm gonna show you this as I always do. Move your mouse away, you can get a discount on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing you this. Give me a like if you like that here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a quick video of them explaining what it is, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the backend area what this actually is, and I'm gonna show you the upgrades and the discounts.
Warning, pay attention to this video and you could end up rich. Imagine if you could, overnight, be making thousands in YouTube payments from a completely untapped $400 billion industry, on demand, with the push of a button. But it's not what you think. You could do it all without ever being on camera, recording your own videos, or having to pay for ads or traffic. In fact, all you need to do to get paid is to browse YouTube. That's right, with this software, if you can watch random videos on YouTube or TikTok, you can bring home thousands a day in revenue without ever having to be on camera or record your own videos. This brand new app called Kash4Watching is minting video millionaires left and right, and can turn you into the next YouTube king literally overnight. It's so good, thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions with it. And the best part, it requires no complex software, steep learning curves, or $100 outsourcers. No paid traffic, ads, or video creation. No experience needed. In fact, with Kash4Watching, you earn every 9 minutes for watching YouTube and TikTok videos. If you have a phone with internet and can browse YouTube, you get paid. It's brand new. And trust me when I say this, you've never seen anything quite like it. We've all seen the craze around flash YouTube vloggers and video millionaires these past few weeks. The global video market is worth $2.23 trillion. Yes, that's trillion with a T. What if you could cash in on all the market frenzy and buzz surrounding video marketing, but with zero risk for you? That's right, without any investment on your behalf. without any risk of loss. 100% automated and 100% newbie friendly. It all works in 3 simple steps. Number 1. Log into Kash4Watching. It's cloud-based. Open a video in YouTube or TikTok. Can be anything. Number 3. Get paid for watching every 9 minutes. That's it. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. This is one of those moments. It's insanely cool, and in fact, it's something members have been using it already to cash in thousands monthly in YouTube revenue. So go ahead right now and click the buy button to secure your copy of Kash4Watching. Let's step into this new era of YouTube commissions together. Welcome to Kash4Watching.
Okay, so we're logged into the members area. So I was looking for a place where like I would watch videos and make money, but it doesn't exist in here. Like they have a video maker. So a video maker, you can import media in here and you can make, apparently you can make videos with it. They've got a screen recorder, so you can actually record your screen. That's pretty cool, a screen recorder. Like sometimes you have to pay for that. They've got a cam recorder here, so you can actually record your cam. I'm not going to allow that right now, but you can record your webcam and download it. That's pretty cool. And then they have training here, and in the training, they talk about like how to create the videos, shooting TikTok videos, and using the screen recorder, that kind of stuff. But I didn't see anything about like watching videos and making money with it. That just wasn't inside. I was a little disappointed, very disappointed about that wasn't inside here. So what it says on the package here about watching videos and getting paid, I did not find that in there. If I missed it, someone please correct me in the comments below. Let me know. I'd be happy to record an update video showing what this, like if I missed something on this, but I just don't see that. If you do decide to purchase, you will see multiple upgrades here. This one says lock in pay to type Bitcoin payments and dedicated video player for this. So it's some kind of an upgrade here. If you go down to the bottom, you click no thanks, a discount will pop up here. Here we go. You'll get that one-time discount. So if you're going to get it and you're going to get the OTOs, might as well get a discount. I make less as an affiliate. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you the OTOs and the discounts. Next one here, it says get 10 times more with their Enterprise Edition. Again, click that no thanks button. Down here, you should have a discount pop up on this one as well. Yep, a discount comes for that one as well. Then they have, you can resell licenses. Again, do the discount thing. Next one here is they've got some kind of what is this, an autopilot version done for you. And the last one here is they're going to give you their current and past products and their future products that they're selling. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Kash4Watching and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, the marketing is way off. It doesn't explain what it really does. The income proof has nothing to do with this. It's just not a very good representation of what the product actually is. What do I like about this? If you're looking for a screen recorder, if you're looking for a cam recorder, if you're looking for a little mini video creator, then this could be right for you. It does have some tools inside of it there that you could be using in your business if that's something that you're looking for. But if that's what you're looking for, get this, but don't base your purchase based upon the income proof on the sales page. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Kash4Watching, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.